Hey folks, earlier today the big rain was in the lower valley, Brownsville out at the coast up into Harlingen. Now the heavier rains out in the western part of the valley, prompting this aerial flood advisory, meaning things like frontage roads that tend to flood when it rains a lot could see a little bit of water on them right now. So again, if you look at the map of Edinburg down to McAllen, the rain has moved out of North Edinburg. There's another shower back here near Monte Alto right now, but the heavy stuff just right along Business 83, just crossing the expressway south side of Mission, kind of southwest of McAllen, pushing southwards. A pretty good thunder and lightning embedded within that. So everything along the expressway southward, this is moving in your direction. If you're Alton and north, it's moving away from you, but Mission, you're right in the middle of it right now. Back to the west, you can see a pretty good shower right on the county line right now, and then a new advisory just issued for southwest Starr County. This is a new one in effect until 6:15 for southwest Starr County. That's from Roma all the way up to Falcon Lake. That's just coming out as we speak, and that's in effect until 6:15, and you can see some very heavy rain just to the west of Roma right now. So there's the bigger picture, and you can notice the eastern part of the valley in the clear for the moment, but from about Mission on westward all the way to Falcon Lake along Highway 83, you're under that flood advisory, one till 5:45, the other till 6:15. Here's where rain's fallen so far today. Heavy stuff in the lower valley this morning, about on Bayview, almost 3 inches of rain. Near Los Fresnos, close to a ½ an inch. Right along the port, 2.5 inches of rain. We go back to the west, you can see the rainfall totals coming in from the upper valley, still raining there. Future Track takes all this stuff out of here in the next 3 or 4 hours, and then overnight it's relatively quiet, but even that we can't rule something out. Then during the daytime tomorrow, shower or thunderstorm in the area. Not as active as today, but still some action around. Sunday, the stuff becomes more spotty. Yes, a couple of showers, but not nearly as active. And by Monday, looks like we may be turning dry, at least for a day. So we go 40, 20, 10 the next 3 days. The best chance tomorrow after today. Satellite, we zoom out a little bit. Here's the system causing this. It's an upper air low that's going to drift back to the southwest. And as it does, it keeps that rain chance with us for another 48 hours or so. By Sunday, still the chance, but by Monday, it looks like it moves out. And once it moves out, we begin the drying process across the region. We should see drier air for early next week. Quick check of the tropics. There's a hurricane in this picture. Can you find it? There it is. Beryl is now a hurricane moving off to the west at a pretty good clip, 10.6, 47.8. Forecast path keeps it as a hurricane now as it goes into the Caribbean, then finally weakening it, but going a lot farther than what it was originally projected to do. Also to the north, another system, depression number 3 now. Off the east coast with 30-mile-per-hour winds. That's just going to meander around off the east coast the next few days and eventually take off to the northeast. But folks in the Carolinas keeping a close eye on that one. Of course, we'll watch it for you as well. So shower thunderstorms tonight, especially in the western part of the valley, but later on we can see something just about anywhere. 40% chance of rain again tomorrow, a high of 92, east-southeasterly winds. 93, 94, 95, and then we hold in the mid-90s next week, and looks like now we're taking most of the chance of rain out. Really, it almost goes dry Monday and Tuesday, but by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday at this point, it looks like it'll be mostly sunny and much warmer. That's your updated First 1 to 5 forecast. We'll be back right after the break.